Time to fix a ruckus. You know what? I'm put on a freaking jacket. It's freezing outside right now. Oh, this jacket is wet. Better. Oh man, what's going on, guys? Hope y'all had a great week. It's been nasty here. There's 3 different videos I wanted to put out this week out riding, but it's been freezing and pouring rain all week long. Like right now, let me show you. This is the best weather we've had all week. It's soaking wet, foggy, drizzling, and like 45 degrees instead of 30 degrees. So no riding this week, but this weekend, whew, boy, this weekend. Ryan, well, let me back up a little bit. Right now I'm sitting on my 2016 Honda Ruckus. This was build series number 2. So I've done 3 main build series. The first one was the CRF Supermoto. The second one was the Ruckus. The third one is the Street Fighter R3. Ryan from the Ruck Shop was one of the main sponsors for the build. They sell tons of Ruckus parts. He flew out here from their headquarters out in Florida, and he helped finish up the build with me. This was end of January last year. Well, Ryan is gonna be coming out again this weekend. I'm super, super excited. Y'all know I've had some problems with the Ruckus. What have the problems been? It's been mainly electrical issues. I've tried out different things and I fixed it a couple different times and taken it out riding, no problems, and the problem comes back. I'm pretty sure it's a grounding issue, and it's specifically a grounding issue with the wiring harness because I've resolved all the problems outside of the wiring harness. So I've been in communication with Ryan and the guys at the Ruck Shop pretty much for the last year since I finished the build, just trying to get through the different issues. Then of course, you know, had a baby, then we got the R6, we got the R3. I know, excuses. But this weekend, Ryan is coming out here and we are going to make sure that every single thing is resolved. The bike is going to be tuned perfectly. The other thing is we'll be installing the cam that Scooterworks sent out way back when we were finishing the build, or shortly after the build. That was one of the mods that I was gonna do to try to squeeze out some more power. That's gonna be done. But the big thing that's gonna be fixing this is the wiring harness. So we're gonna be using the same wiring harness that I have on here, but Ryan has been working on a custom harness for me that eliminates everything that I don't need and tidies up everything that we do need. So in some places we're gonna have plugs where we just did soldering or just tapping wires into each other last time. Because we'll be eliminating some of the stuff that we don't need, there'll be less chances of those contributing to any problem that we have. And it's just gonna be a lot simpler than what I have going on right now. So just like you guys, I have been itching to ride this thing. I just haven't been able to resolve the issue on my own. And hopefully this weekend is gonna be changing that. So I'm pretty excited to try to get this thing fixed. So Ryan is gonna be coming out this weekend. We're gonna be working for 2 or 3 days straight, doing everything that we need to do on this, and by the end of the weekend this thing should, cross your fingers, be running in perfect shape, and we will cruise off into the sunset, won't need to look back, and everything will be resolved, at least for the near future. So what I have to do right now is get the entire wiring harness removed. I'm gonna be swapping in a different stator. The reason I'm doing that is because I'm gonna be swapping a stator that has a plug, getting the exhaust taken off. Yeah, that's our task for the day. All right, so I got all of the harness undone from the front of the bike. The only thing is the ignition wires. So these ones right here, I soldered. So I'll have to snip on those. So the next thing that I gotta do is remove the seat and then remove the tank rails and the tank cover so I can get the harness out and unplug the harness from the tank. And then we'll move back to all the connections back by the motor. All right, guys, I think that is it. Wiring harness is all removed. I hate wiring harnesses. So again, I mentioned that the stator that I'm gonna be swapping in has a plug as opposed to wires that I just tapped or soldered into the harness before. This is what I'm talking about. Here are the wires from it. There's two plugs, two bullet connectors that came on the stator, and then these other wires that I had soldered onto the harness. So the new one that I'm gonna be swapping on has, hold up, this bag is sealed. Okay, so here is the stator that I'm gonna be putting on, and it has those same two connectors right here, but has a plug. I'm going to swap this in. This requires taking off the exhaust. Then I should be all set. Oh, I do have some other stuff to show you though. All right, so if you missed the video when I was putting on the new wheels on the 240, you'll know that my impact wrench stopped working. It only works in the forward direction. It does not work in the reverse direction. I know, I need to get a new impact gun. But what I'm doing right now, I could not get this nut off because it's torqued down too tight and it just spins. So I modified my impact gun so that I can use it in reverse. So it's got the trigger, and it's got reverse right here and forwards right here. This button does not work, but this one does. But I needed it to work in the reverse direction, not the forward direction. So what I did is I took it apart. I switched the leads from those two buttons to swap them so that the forward button actually controls the lead that causes the gun to spin in reverse, and it works. So here's the forward button, and that is spinning in reverse. All right, all done. Stator is in. Hopefully it is all perfectly tightened down. Ruckus is ready to go. Again, Ryan is gonna be here this weekend. Oh, actually, I forgot about this. So Ryan shipped out a box of supplies. So this should give you guys an idea of what we've got going on this weekend. Here Here's Ryan's exhaust. This is what we're gonna be using for doing the tuning to get everything dialed in perfectly, since he's got his set up perfectly. This should help us out. Candy and stickers, found in every Ruck Shop order. New gaskets and jets for the carb. Shims for when we install the new cam. Very nice air fuel gauge. Got the O2 sensor right here. And my favorite thing by far, wiring harness. Oh, in all its glory. But yeah, I'm excited, guys. I hope you are too. Again, this weekend, 2 or 3 days, Ryan and I are gonna be working on the Ruckus, so you guys got those videos to look forward to. Next week, Ruckus is gonna be on the road. Hopefully the weather will be cooperating and I'll actually be able to go ride. But yeah, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Hit that like button for me and let me know that you did. Remember, life's better horsepower, keep life lived, and I'll see you guys in the next video.